Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Parquet files to Amazon Athena. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Once logged in, navigate to the Amazon S3 service. Create a new S3 bucket or select an existing one where your Parquet files will be stored. Upload your Parquet files to this S3 bucket. Open the Amazon Athena service from the AWS Management Console. Make sure you have the correct permissions to access the bucket containing your Parquet files. In the Athena query editor, choose or create a new database for your Parquet files. Use the following SQL syntax to create a table that maps to your Parquet file structure. Specify the table name and the necessary data types for each column in your Parquet files. Indicate the S3 location where your Parquet files are stored within your bucket. Ensure that you set the file format to Parquet in your table definition. Execute the SQL query to create the table. Once the table is created, you can run a select query to retrieve data from your Parquet files. Review the results to ensure your data is accessible and displayed correctly. If needed, you can modify the table schema or data types based on your requirements. To improve query performance, consider partitioning your data in future uploads. And that's it. You have successfully transferred Parquet files to Amazon Athena. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.